Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to flip text vertically or horizontally in Canva. Let's dive in. Create a text box and type your desired text. Currently, Canva doesn't offer a direct flip option for text layers. Here's the workaround. Step 1. Export text as PNG. Go to Share, then click Download. Choose PNG and enable transparent background. Click Download. Step 2. Re-upload the text as an image. Drag the downloaded PNG file into your design. Step 3. Flip the uploaded text. Select the uploaded text image. Click Flip in the top toolbar. Choose Flip horizontally or Flip vertically. The transparent background ensures no unwanted borders. Reposition the flip text as needed. And that's it. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more tips. Thanks for watching and happy creating!